Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Emergency Car Tool Kit is probably one of the most essential investments any driver can make, offering peace of mind and practical solutions for unexpected roadside situations, ensuring you're prepared for anything from a flat tire to a dead battery, and it's crucial to have reliable tools that can help you navigate these challenges safely and efficiently, making it a non-negotiable item for every vehicle owner who values safety and self-reliance on the road. Number 5. Hi-Spec 67 PC Metric Auto Mechanic Tool Set. Introducing a comprehensive tool set designed for all your automotive needs. It's perfect for routine maintenance and unexpected emergency fixes on cars, motorcycles, and RVs. Experience quick and smooth repairs with the easy two-way turning ratcheting wrench. It comes with a wide range of metric sockets, all crafted from durable CRV steel for longevity. Navigate confined engine spaces and tricky angles effortlessly. The included extension bars and universal joint allow you to reach every corner without hassle. Gain confidence with versatile hand tools like adjustable wrenches and pliers. Their non-slip grips ensure a firm and secure hold for any task. Keep your essential tools neatly organized and ready for action. The durable storage case makes it perfect for keeping in your trunk or under the seat for convenient on-the-go repairs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive range of metric sockets for quick and smooth repairs. If you frequently work on vehicles with metric fasteners or are looking for efficient socket work, this is a great choice. Its ability to reach tight spots makes it ideal for intricate engine bay tasks. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential tools for roadside emergencies, such as jumper cables, a tire inflator, and a first aid kit. The tools are made of durable materials and appear to be well constructed, ensuring reliability in critical situations. The compact design of the kit makes it easy to store in the trunk or glove compartment without taking up too much space. Number 4. Roadside Car Emergency Kit. Unexpected breakdowns happen. Be prepared with this essential car kit, designed to keep you safe and sound on the road. This comprehensive kit includes everything from jumper cables and a tow strap to a first aid set and a flashlight. You'll be ready for any situation. Don't let its small size fool you. This kit fits easily in your trunk or back seat, yet it's packed with all the tools you might need. Stay visible with the safety vest and warning triangle. It's a matter of staying safe and prepared, no matter where you are. Give the gift of peace of mind. This kit is ideal for new drivers or anyone who wants to be prepared for unexpected road events. From flat tires to unexpected stops, this kit has you covered. Ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones on every journey. What we like. This kit prioritizes your safety with a wide array of safety equipment and a first aid kit. If you're looking for peace of mind and want to be prepared for a variety of roadside incidents, especially those involving personal safety, this is the one. It's a thoughtful gift for new drivers who may be less experienced. What people say. The tire inflator is surprisingly powerful and can inflate a flat tire quickly. The jumper cables are heavy-duty and provide a strong connection, making jump-starting easy. The kit includes a comprehensive first aid kit with all the essentials for minor injuries. Number 3. Car Emergency Kit with Portable Air Compressor. Don't let a car emergency ruin your day. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from jumper cables to a first aid kit, to get you back on the road safely. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cold winter night, this kit is designed for year-round reliability. It ensures you're ready for any roadside challenge, no matter the weather. This kit is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in your trunk. You'll have peace of mind knowing essential tools are always within reach for any unexpected situation. Looking for a practical gift? This emergency kit is ideal for any driver, providing safety and peace of mind. It's a thoughtful present for women, men, and teens alike. This 112-piece kit includes a portable air compressor for quick tire inflation and heavy-duty jumper cables for dead batteries. It also features a safety triangle for visibility, ensuring you're prepared for any crisis. What we like. This option includes a portable air compressor, making it perfect for dealing with flat tires on the go. If you're someone who values self-sufficiency and wants to handle tire issues without external help, this kit is for you. It's designed to be user-friendly for everyone, including women, men, and teens. What people say. The tire inflator is very powerful and can inflate a flat tire in about 5 minutes. The flashlight has multiple modes, including a strobe function that can be used as a warning signal. The seatbelt cutter and window breaker are sharp and effective, making them easy to use in an emergency. Number 2. Car Emergency Safety Kit Bag. Introducing the complete Roadside Emergency Kit, designed to keep you prepared for any situation. It's packed with 92 essential items to ensure your safety on the road. Don't let winter weather catch you off guard. This kit includes a detachable snow shovel and brush, perfect for clearing snow and ice from your vehicle quickly and efficiently. It comes equipped with a tire repair kit, safety hammer, tow rope, warning triangle, and a flashlight, among other vital accessories. You'll have everything you need for unexpected events. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive emergency kit is ideal for new drivers, parents, or anyone who spends time on the road. Give the gift of safety and preparedness. All the necessary tools are neatly organized in a durable bag, making it easy to store in your trunk. Keep your safety essentials accessible and ready for immediate use. What we like. This kit stands out with its inclusion of winter-specific tools like a detachable snow shovel and brush. If you live in or frequently travel through snowy regions, this is an essential choice for winter preparedness. It ensures you can clear your vehicle and manage winter-related roadside issues effectively. What people say. This kit is universal for any state. Hot or cold. It comes with everything you may need. Tire low, has an air compressor. Little cut, has first aid. Snow in the way, has a snow shovel. Comes with everything you need if you have an emergency when on the road. Fits under the seat or in the truck of your car. Made of good quality materials. Everything works the way it should, all of the items were there, it fits well in my trunk, I feel prepared for the winter. Number 1. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. Don't let unexpected car trouble ruin your journey. This kit is packed with essential automotive tools to keep you safe and moving. With heavy-duty jumper cables included, you can easily revive a dead battery. Get back on the road quickly and confidently. Accidents happen, but you'll be ready. This kit contains a 233-piece first aid set to handle minor injuries and emergencies. Everything is neatly organized in a durable nylon zipper bag. It protects your gear and ensures easy access when you need it most. Stay prepared without the bulk. This compact kit fits easily into your vehicle, making it the perfect travel companion. Whether for your car, home, or outdoor adventures, this kit provides peace of mind. It's ready for emergencies, survival, and everyday needs. What we like. This kit boasts a very comprehensive 233-piece first aid kit, making it ideal for those who prioritize medical preparedness. If you're looking for robust medical supplies alongside essential roadside tools like heavy-duty jumper cables, this is a strong contender. Its compact size ensures it won't take up too much space. What people say. The kit includes a tire inflator and a tire pressure gauge, which are essential for maintaining proper tire pressure on the go. The jumper cables are heavy-duty and long enough to reach from one car battery to another, making jump-starting a dead battery much easier. The kit comes with a first aid kit that includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other essentials for minor injuries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.